So the today's topic is find rational numbers between two rational number. What is the concept behind this? How you will find the rational number between two rational number? As you know it, there are infinite rational number between two given rational number. Suppose one rational number is this and other is this. We have two rational number. So there are infinite rational number between this. We have endless rational number. Endless. So if A over B and P over Q are two distinct rational number, so how you will find the rational number? Let's try to understand with the example. Suppose 3 over 5 find 5 rational number, find 5 rational numbers between 3 over 5 and 4 over 5. Now we have two rational number, 3 over 5 and 4 over 5. So how you will find 5 rational numbers? So 3 over 5 is 1 and 4 over 5 is the second rational number. We need to find 5 rational number between this. So we have one method. We have actually 2-3 methods to find the rational numbers, but I am giving you the best method and the simplest method. So first of all, you will check how many rational number we need to find it. We have to find 5 rational number in this question. So here you will consider n is 5 because we need to find rational number 5. Now, how you will do it? Multiplying and dividing both numbers by n plus 1. N is 5. So, n plus 1 is 5 plus 1, which is 6. Right? Which is 6. Now, what you will do in the next step? 3 over 5. 3 over 5. In this 3 over 5, you will multiplying and dividing by the 6. So what you will get? 18 over 30. Right? In the same way, you will do with the 4 over 5. 4 over 5. So multiplying and divide with the 6. So you will get 24 over 30. Now see, whenever you have to find the rational number between two rational number, so this method will give you the exact 5. Check, both the denominators are same, right? If denominator is same, then you can easily find the rational number, right? So 18, after 18 which number will come?
19.
19 over 30. 20 over 30, 21 over 30, 22 over 30 and 23 over 30. Now we found 5 rational number between 3 over 5 and 4 over 5. Exact 5 rational number, right? So the concept is whatever rational number you have to find it, you will check, you will consider n, then n is 5, so n plus 1 is 5 plus 1, which is 6. That 6 is the number which we will use in our formula. So 3 over 5. 3 over 5 multiplying by 6, divide by 6. Same 4 over 5, you will use the number 6 for multiplication and the division. And then you will get 18 over 60 and 24 over 18 over 30 and the 24 over 30. Now this number we get their denominator is same. Now what will you do? You will find between these two numbers 5 numbers. So 18, after 18 which number will come? 19 over 30, 20 over 30, 21 over 30, 22 over 30, 23 over 30. Now we got 5 rational number between 3 over 5 and 4 over 5. So this is the second question. Find 5 rational numbers between 1 over 3 and 2 over 5. Now in this question, denominator is not same. So first you will make it denominator same by taking LCM. So it's a 5 over 15 and 6 over 15 when you take the LCM. Now same, we need to find 5 rational numbers. So 5 rational numbers, so n is 5 and n plus 1 is 5 plus 1 which is 6. Now we'll use it in your question. 5 over 15 and 6 over 15. Now we have the same denominator. You will multiply, divide by 6. You will get 2 numbers. Now you can easily find the 5 rational number between 30 to 36. So the next number will be 31 over 90, 32 over 90, 33 over 90, 34 over 90 and 35 over 90 because next number is 36. Okay, got it? So we found 5 rational number between 1 over 3 and 2 over 5. Any confusion here?
No.
Now the third example, we will do all type of examples in the class. So third, again you will find 5 rational number between -2 and -1. Now the number is -2 and -1. Then how you will find it? -2 and -1. Now we have any denominator here?
No.
No. So if we don't have any denominator, then how you will find it?
By multiplying the number itself?
Yeah, you can use it. So here, what is n here?
6. Well, it's 5, but plus 1 is 6.
Plus 1.
Plus 1 is 6.
See, there are 2 methods. Okay, you can use it for this. One, you will multiply by 10 numerator and the denominator, so making its denominator same, or we can take directly n is 5, so n plus 1 is 6. Now -2, you will multiply -2 with the 6 and divide it by 6, so you will get -12 over 6. Yes, same you will do it with the -1. So -1 is -1 times 6 over 6. So it will become -6 over 6. Now we can easily find it. Now denominator is same, right? 6, 6.
Yes.
We can easily find the 5 rational number. Which 5 you will write it? -6. Which number will come? Negative?
-7.
-7, -8 over 6, -9 over 6, -10 over 6 and -11 over 6. Now we found 5 rational number between -2 and -1. And other method is what you can do. If you are not using the formula method, you can do it -2, you can multiply by 10 in numerator and denominator. So you will get this. Same you can do it with the -1, the multiply and divide by the 10. So you will get -10 over 10.
Is 10 like a specific number, or do you just
No.
choose any number?
Any number you can choose it. But see, this, if you use this n method, okay, so it's a particular number you have to take in, right? But if you're not using the n number, you can multiply and divide with the any number, because any two rational number, there are infinite rational number between this, so there is no limitation. You are free to take any number. Okay, so now you can see it here, negative 20 over 10 and negative 10 over 10. We have many numbers. You can find it easily, 5 rational numbers. So there is two different method, and both are correct.